Hi guys! Makeup is an art by itself. When it comes to makeup, eye makeup is the one that makes all the difference to the entire look. There are so many things to consider in order to make the perfect eyes, like eyebrows, eyeliners, eyeshadow, mascara, etc. In today's video, we are just going to focus on eyeliners. We will see in detail about the types of eyeliners and who should wear it and when, and some recommended products. Gel eyeliners. You can use it to make both thin lines as well as thick eyelines based on your need. They usually come with a brush. I will recommend you to have a thin liner brush, a thick liner brush and an angled brush. You can use the angled brush for the ends and the thin and thick brushes to make the lines as per your need. And remember to clean the brushes after every use. For a formal day or a usual day, you can wear thin eyeliners. For special occasions, you can save the thick liners. Gel eyeliners usually dry out soon, making a crack at the eyelid. This happens often with people having dry skin. If you have a dry skin already, please don't use the gel eyeliners. Here are some of my favorite products in the gel eyeliner category. MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line Eyeliner Gel. Then we have Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner. They come in 5 shades, they last longer than usual gel eyeliners and they don't dry out that easily. Liquid eyeliners. When I say liquid eyeliners, I'm not talking about the sketch eyeliners here. I'm talking about the ones that come in tiny cylindrical bottles with nail polish like brush. They are a bit outdated, I know, but they have their own pros and cons. They are easy to draw, but you have to be very careful while applying. You don't want to take large amount of product in the brush because they can run into your eyes easily. For all the beginners, liquid eyeliners are the good product to start with because that is one way to learn how to apply eyeliners. It is possible to draw both thin and thick lines using these eyeliners. Liquid eyeliners also dry out quickly. In fact, they dry out sooner than gel eyeliners, so I don't recommend it for people with dry skin. Here are some of my favorite products in the liquid eyeliner category. MAC Liquid Last Liner. They come in 7 shades. They last longer than usual liquid eyeliners and they don't dry out that easily. Then we have Bobbi Brown Longwear Liquid Liner. They come in 3 shades. Carbon Black is the popular shade and see if you can find them in the stores. Try it out and tell me what you feel. Sketch eyeliners. Sketch eyeliners are popular these days. They are easy to apply because it is just like drawing on your eyelids using a sketch pen or a marker. They are pretty clean to use. They don't usually mess up the makeup like the previous 2 eyeliner categories mentioned. Since they picked up quickly in the market, we have so many shades in this sketch eyeliner category. Most of them are waterproof as well. The extremely thin sketch brushes make it possible to draw thinner eyelines to get a natural look. The sketch eyeliners don't dry out like the liquid and gel eyeliners. They last for the entire day and are suitable for all skin types. They are great for the everyday office look. I don't have any complaints on the sketch eyeliners. Here are some of my favorite products in the sketch eyeliner category. MAC Brushstroke Liner. They come in 2 shades, brown and black. They last the entire day and give a clean look. Then we have Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner. They come in 5 shades. They are waterproof and the next best option to the MAC sketch liners. Pencil eyeliners. Pencil eyeliners are usually applied on your waterline or the inner lash lines, unlike other eyeliners which we use on the outer lash lines. For this reason, they are usually waterproof. They come in 2 types. One, the actual pencil that you can sharpen use, and the other which comes as twist-up pencil. To avoid sharpening the pencil every now and then, I only use the twist-up eyeliners. When picking up a twist-up eyeliner, you have to be very careful because some of the twist-up products only allow twist one way. So when you twist too much, it won't be possible to push the product back to the pencil. We know smoky eye look is trending these days. Only way to get a smoky eye look is through pencil eyeliners. It is also best for the subtle everyday look. Only tricky thing is you need to pick a product that doesn't smudge. You don't want the product to come out of your eyes and give a messy look. Here are some of my favorite products in the pencil eyeliner category. MAC Technicolor Liner. They are twist up liners and they come in 8 shades. They don't smudge and are waterproof. Then we have Bobbi Brown Long Wear Waterproof Liner. They are twist up liners as well and they come in 3 shades. They don't smudge and they last the entire day. I hope you can all benefit from this video. That's all I have for you today. We have new video coming in every week. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video.